Hello there. I am currently the Programs Coordinator at the Bulb Africa. Did you know that the Bulb Institute is one of the accredited partners by the federal government for the 3MTT program, a program aimed at building Nigeria's technical talent backbone to power our digital economy and position Nigeria as a net talent exporter. In 5 years, we have trained over 1,000 Africans who are now gainfully employed in the tech space, creating solutions and developing new products.
At the Bulb, we believe the future belongs to bold innovators like you. Hi, my name is Okbayemi, the 3MTT coordinator at the Bulb Institute. It has been an absolute delight leading this project and ensuring that our fellows are inculcated with the right skill set and by the best facilitators. Presently, we have 285 fellows assigned to us by the federal government who are learning and undergoing training in our tech community. We are very confident that at the end of this program, they would be well equipped to start their tech careers. Learning at the Bulb Institute is not just a training. It gives you a community of like-minded individuals to collaborate, work with, and learn from.
Hi, my name is Olalo Adejo. I'm in cohort 1, track cybersecurity. So far, my learning experience has been interesting. I always come for physical class and do my online practices on Coursera. The Bulb Institute had to be my course training provider for the 3MTT cohorts in Nigeria, and they've been doing excellently very well since we started the 3MTT cohort one program.
My name is Ogweba Marachandela. I'm a fellow of 3MTT, learning cybersecurity. Okay, in the coming months or year, and with my training so far with cyber and with 3MTT, I've been able to cover up with the Coursera course and I'm through with it. In the coming months or year, I see myself working in an organization where I will practice more on what I've learned.
My name is Adebayo Bukani, and I am on the cybersecurity track, learning track, cohort 1. My learning experience so far has been great. It's been splendid because I've learned a lot of things in the course of learning. I see myself becoming a certified web penetration tester, and also see myself exploring more possibilities and opportunities in the cyber world.
Hello, my name is Dami and I'm the head of operations at the Bulb. You've heard it. We are well equipped with the best people and facilities to train our students the right way. If you are not on the 3MTT program, we also run in-house training at the Bulb Africa Fellowship Program. It is a 4 to 6 months training program designed to equip young Africans with the skills and resources they need to launch successful careers in technology. It is a comprehensive program that offers practical learning, flexible learning, and a supportive community. We have seen incredible success stories, and we know it could be you too. The fellowship program is open to you, dear tech enthusiasts, and if not now, when? Visit www.thebulb.africa and navigate to the fellowship program sector to begin.
You can also send us a message via our social media platforms for any inquiries you might have.